Hello student, in this video we discuss about divisibility rule of some numbers. Here I not mention the divisibility rule for 1 because we know that all numbers are divisible by 1. So we start from 2. First rule is for 2, if a number is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. So now we see with an example. See, I write a number 208. See, here last number is 8. So this is divisible by 8 because in divisibility rule of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, if these numbers have in the last digit, so if these digits are having the last place or ending, so it is divisible by 2. Next I give another example. See, in this number 316, the last digit is 6, so it is also divisible by 2. See, this number is 200. This is also ending with 0. So all the numbers are ending with divisible by 2. Next I write 914. This number, last number is 4. Last digit is 4. So it is also divisible by 2. Here 112. In this number last digit is 2, so this is also divisible by 2. That means if any number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then these numbers are divisible by, that particular number is divisible by 2. Next, for 3, rule for 3. If sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now we take an example. See, the number is 336. Now you see, sum of the digits in the condition is sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now first we find sum of the digits. Now 3 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 is the multiple of 3. So which is divisible by 3. So the number 336 is divisible by 3. That means first we find the sum of the digits. If sum of the digit is divisible by 3, so then the number is divisible by 3. For example, if sum of the digits, now see another example here. So if the number is 5, 7, 352. Now sum of the digit, we find sum of the digits equal to 3 plus 5 plus 2. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 is divisible by 2 on 3 or not? It is, which is not divisible by 3. Why it is not divisible by 3? Because 10 is not a multiple of 3. So 352 is not divisible by 3. That means the number is not divisible by 3. The number 352 is not divisible by 3. If here result is come the multiples of 3, sum of the digit, the result is come multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now see, for 4, rule for 4. The number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. See with an example. Here number is 632. Here condition is number formed by last 2 digits. This is the last 2 digits. The number formed by last 2 digit is 32. Now see, number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4. That means if 32 is divisible by 4, now see 32 is divisible by 4 or not? 4 8 ja 32. So 32 is divisible by 4. That means 632 is also divisible by 4. Rule for 5. The number which ending with 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. That means if a number ending with 0 or 5, that means it is divisible by 5. For example, 550. I take a number 550. It is ending with 0. That means it is divisible by 5. Next I take 225. It is ending with 5. This is also divisible by 5. Because if a number is ending with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by both. Divisible by 5. Say 175. This is also ending with 5. That means it is divisible by 5. 170. This is ending with 0. That means it is divisible by 5. That means any number which is ending with 0 or 5, that it is divisible by 5. For 6. If a number is divisible by both 6 or 2 or 3, then the number is divisible by 6. See one example. (336). It is divisible by, first we check for 2. Here condition is if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So first we check for 2. This is divisible by 2 because the number which is ending with 0, 2, the number which ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is divisible by 2. Here the number is ending with 6, so it is divisible by 2. So here number is ending with 6, so it is divisible by 6. 2. It is divisible by 2. Now we check for 3. For 3, what is the rule? Rule is sum of the digit. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digit means 3 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 12. 12 is multiple of 3. That means which is divisible by 3. Now see, here the number is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So 336 is divisible by 6. Here condition is the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 6. That means the number which both divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Now see for 8. The number formed by the last 3 digits. So here see one thing, we go for rule 6 to rule 8. For rule 8. So there is no rule for 7. Now see what is the rule for 8. The number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Then the number is divisible by 8. So see, I take an example. 328. See, this is a 3-digit number. So here last 3 digit, this is also last 3 digit. This is already a 3-digit number, so we take the whole number for test. So see, if the whole number is divisible by 8, that means 8 4 ja 32, then 8 comes out given below, then 8 1 ja 8. Then it is divisible by, you see here this number is divisible by 8. So I take another example. See, 200 2,900 2,924. Number is 2,928. So here last 3 digit is these 3 digits, 9 to 8. Now we see this 9 to digit is divisible by 8 or not. 9 to 8. See, 9 8 1 ja 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Here comes out 2. Then 8 to 1 ja again 8 1 ja 8. Then 4, and this 8 is put here. Then 8 6 48. That means it is divisible. This number is divisible by 8 because the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8. That the number is divisible by 8. Means the number is divisible by 8. For 9, the sum of digit is divisible by 9. Then I write then 2 times. Then the number is divisible by 9. Example, two 9 7 297. See here, first we find sum of the digits. This rule is same as it is rule for 3. So 2 plus 9 plus 7. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Since 18 is the multiple of 9, because 18 9 to 18, that means 18 is multiple of 9. That means which is divisible by 9. So 297 is divisible by 9. If here result is come 15, so 15 is not a multiple of 9. That means the number is not divisible by 9. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Now see rule for 10. All numbers ending with 0 are divisible by 10. That means any number, this 220, this ending with 0. If any number is ending with 0, that is divisible by 10. Rule for 11. If difference between sum of the digits of odd places and sum of the digits of even places is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So I take a number, seven 1 say 7949. This is, if we count the number from left side, that means this is the first place, second place, third place, fourth place. The first place is odd, second place is even, third place is odd, fourth place is even. So here sum of the digits of odd places, that means we have to find the sum of these odd places, and then we find the sum of these even places. The first we find the sum of odd places. That means odd places 7 and 4. So 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Then sum of what? Even places equal to 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 also 11. Then their difference. Difference means subtract. Equal to 11 minus 11. Now see one thing. If any if even or odd places, in even or odd places, any even or this both even and odd places, among even and odd places, sum, if any number is greater here, then you subtract from greater to smallest. Then here's both are the equal, so we subtract 11 minus 11 is 0. So condition is if sum of the digit is even places is 0 or multiple of even. Here we find the 0, so it is divisible by, that means the number 7249 is divisible by, that means 7249 is divisible by 11. So my video is over here. You carefully see this video and try to understand, because these divisibility rules help you to finding or to doing the prime factorization. Okay, so carefully and try to understand this divisibility rule. And also this divisibility rules have in your textbook page number 47. You can see this divisibility rule here also. So my video is over. Thanks for watching.